Today we are going to talk about firewall. In our MTCNA course content, there is a option like that connection tracking and state chain, right? So what is a connection tracking? When actually packet coming and outgoing, so all of the things happening using connection track. So if we go to the firewall, if you go to the IP2 firewall, then you can see there is a connection, right? There is several connection types. If you go to the filter role and then if you go to the plus, then you can see a connection state. If you click here, then you can see there is several connection types: invalid, established, related, new, untracked. So let's see one of the practical what is a connection tracking and why it's needed. If we want to go tracking, then if you want to disable it, now we can actually browse everything, right? If we go to the google.com connection tracking, no, then apply, then click OK. Now if you want to browse any site, then you can see you cannot browse anything. Reason is behind it, your connection tracking is disabled. So if you go to the tracking, then if you select connection tracking equal to yes and auto, then you can see you can browse all of the site. So this is one of the problem as well as how to solve it, right? So if anyone disable your connection tracking, then you can see actually everything okay, but you can't browse. But now you can browse everything, no issues, right? So I think you got it my point, what is the connection tracking and how to use, and if you face any problem browsing issue, then you can check actually what about your connection tracking. Thank you for watching.